I want to say a big thank you to the Foamitto team for very kindly sending out to me this amazing trainer foaming cleaning care kit. It has everything you need in here to get your trainers and your shoes back to sparkling. I had some trainers that were looking really bad. I actually was going to get rid of them, but decided, can I bring them back? In your pack, you get your foam pump here, which has a brush attached to it, so nothing is separate. So all you need to do when you are using it is to pump and scrub. You also get instructions as well, and also a really handy cloth to buff away and keep things tidy. And as you can see by my trainers, they are really bad. I decided to wear white trainers to a festival, which is never good, but I didn't want to get rid of them. I really like them, so let's see if I can bring them back. I decided to set myself a little challenge as well. What can I get done in less than 5 minutes? So all I did was remove the cap and pumped the foam and just started to applying it in circular motions to see what would happen. And as you can see, straight away, as soon as that foam was applied, it was coming off really nicely. I love the fact that this is a waterless all-in-one kit, so you don't need anything else. The brush is really sturdy and did a really great job of lifting all the dirt. That was a really great solution, and as you can see, it's done an absolutely fantastic job. You're comparing the one that I did clean in less than 5 minutes to the one that I didn't, and as you can see, the difference is absolutely shocking. What a great turnaround in just a few minutes. That dirt has been lifted really nicely, and they're going to be absolutely fantastic, good as new. No one would know they've been through a festival. So what do I think of the kit? It's done an amazing job. It's got all that dirt off really quick, really thoroughly, completely waterless, super simple. I love the fact it's a complete kit. Did everything I expected to do. So yes, we recommend it.